Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope you found this chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Thirukkural is a timeless work of literature that continues to offer valuable lessons and wisdom to people of all ages and backgrounds. What is the use of all your learning if you can't surrender yourself at the feet of God? This verse from Thirukkural reminds us that no matter how much knowledge we acquire, it's futile if we don't have the humility to surrender ourselves to God. In today's world, knowledge is highly valued. We spend countless hours learning new things, acquiring degrees, and gaining expertise in various fields. But what use is all this knowledge if we can't find solace and peace in our lives? Thirukkural teaches us that true wisdom lies in acquiring knowledge and using it to better ourselves and society. Surrendering oneself to God is not a sign of weakness but rather a sign of strength and faith. Thirukkural reminds us that when we surrender ourselves to God, we let go of our egos and worries and trust in His plan. Thirukkural encourages us to cultivate a deep sense of devotion toward God so that we can find inner peace and clarity of mind. Meditation and prayer are powerful tools to help us connect with our inner selves and with God. They help us to let go of our worries and fears and find a sense of calmness and stillness within us. Thirukkural teaches us that surrendering oneself to God means using our knowledge and skills to help those in need. By serving others, we are serving God. In conclusion, the verse "What is the use of all your learning if you can't surrender yourself at the feet of God?" is a powerful reminder that true wisdom lies not just in acquiring knowledge but also in surrendering oneself to God and using our expertise for the greater good. Let us all strive to surrender ourselves to the feet of God and serve others with humility and compassion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.